So more about peptides and bioregulators. Hey guys, it's Dr. Eric, the fitness physician, where I talk about things related to hormonal fitness, muscle medicine, and so much more. So I did a part 1 video on Pinealon, and this is part 2 kind of wrapping up. The other thing I like about Pinealon is that it activates a myokine called irisin. And you know, I practice muscle medicine. I talk all about myokines and how important they are for the body. That's why I focus on muscle. And because muscle is the organ of longevity, muscle secretes all these myokines that have many beneficial effects on the body throughout. And irisin is just one of them. And it does a lot of things. I did a whole lecture on this before, and I'll do it again. But some of the key points here in relation to Pinealon is it increases AMPK and SIRT1. And these are two powerful pathways involved in energy sensing, self-regulation, self-signaling, survival, so much more. Especially people are talking about autophagy. It does improve autophagy, the cleaning up of all the dead, unused cells. Improves telomerase, which is at the ends of the chromosomes that keeps our cells viable to prolong life, right? Helps us live longer. Nitric oxide production, which is important for vasodilation or getting blood and oxygen to the tissues, which is massively important for everything, the brain, the heart, and everything and more. The other thing is also, as I mentioned, is neuroprotection, basically through a chemical called caspase. It decreases, caspase is kind of like the self-destruct mechanism, right? And it modifies that to provide protection for the cells, especially in the brain. This is why it's so important for cognitive benefits, circadian rhythms, and so much more. In that same line, it's also powerful antioxidant and it helps with the inflammation, which can improve many things related to the body, health, and more, because we all know about the power of oxidation and inflammation causing many diseases, pretty much all the diseases that we're aware of. It's also involved in genetic signaling and improvement of serotonin, which can help mood, drive, memory, and so much more. You know, and the dosages on Pinealon varies, right? And ideally, I've used Pinealon as an injectable, which is not only useful for sleep and all these things I've talked about, but in larger doses for a very short period of time for actually improving longevity. This has been studied for decades in Eastern Europe and Russia. Now this is Pinealon, a little bit different. There is injectable in forms available, but also the sublingual formulation, and again, anywhere from 0.1 to 0.2 milligrams. And again, you're gonna have to be vary on your dosage, how long you do, so make sure you work with someone who's trained in peptides and can counsel you on this. So again, this is part 2 of Pinealon, all the many benefits. And what I really liked is how it helps with irisin. And so by doing this, you're gonna improve your cellular autophagy, help you live longer, improve blood flow, and so much more. So let me know, please like and share this post, and let me know what else you want to learn about. Hit me up in the comments below, and I'll gladly talk about that. So check me out on drericprimax.com and check out my podcast, the Relentless Vitality Podcast. And I'm doing telemedicine all across the country. I've got new VIP programs, products on my website. So check out the store and check out the sites and check out all my free content. Remember, do something nice for someone today, guys. Pass it forward. Live to give. I'll talk to you soon.